Okay, so today's assignment that I want to show you how to do is called modifying styles. Um, so I'm just going to run through this, especially for those that didn't get the in classroom demonstration or explanation and are trying to do it at home. So, first off, let's look at our objective today. I can format styles for use in text, tables, and lists. So, I've given you a text example, a table example, and a list example. Now the styles that we're going to be using are title, normal, and heading. So what you're going to do is click anywhere here by Lily the dog. You don't even have to select it all, but you can. I just click next to it. And then up here in our styles group, notice that I'm on my home tab. So in my styles group, I'm going to come over and click on title. Now I'm not going to leave it formatted that way, but we'll come back to it in just a minute. Now, we might as well click down here by candy bars. This is going to be a title as well. So let's go up and click title. And then our next part is headings. Here's a heading. So let's just use heading 1. Heading 1, good sniffer is going to be a heading. Patience is going to be a heading. These are traits of my dog. Okay, so then if we look over here, we've got a heading here. Let's go ahead and click heading 1. And then on this one, we're going to click heading 1. And then on the third one, we're also going to click heading 1. And it's okay if it removes the numbers next to them. That's what it's supposed to do. All right, so then the last title that you need to do, or sorry, the last style you need to do is called normal. So normal and no spacing, both of those refer to paragraphs. So we're going to click anywhere in this paragraph or next to this paragraph, and we're going to change it to normal, as the directions say. We'll click on this one and click normal, the third paragraph normal, and the fourth paragraph normal. So you may have not noticed a big difference, but what it did was leave some extra space between these typed lines of text. So just to show you, watch this paragraph here. When I click no spacing, it takes out a little extra space. Okay, so we'll leave those 4 on normal. If it took out the indent, let's go back and tab the first line of the paragraph. All right, so now we have told the document which parts are going to be headings and which parts are going to be titles. And then the next step is to modify the title and modify the heading. So right here in the directions it says you'll be changing the font face. That means the font name. So up here where it says Calibri. The font color and the font size. So let's begin on the one that's for the title. So you're going to click somewhere next to Lily the dog. And then up here on title, you want to right click and choose modify. Okay, so then down here in the formatting section, you are going to change the font face to whichever one that you want. And then also, I want you to change the color. So come over here and just decide what color you want, click on it. Okay, and this is the preview of what it's going to look like. As soon as you hit OK, then this title will take on that same appearance. Okay, and we noticed that this title took on that appearance and this title did as well. And that's what it's supposed to do, is update all the titles on the page to look like how you modified it. Okay, so then we'll do the same process to the headings. Right click, well, click somewhere on one of the headings, and then up here on heading 1, you're going to right click and go to modify. And it says again that you're going to change the font face, the font color, and the font size. But the maximum size of the heading should be 16. So it's already on 16, so you're welcome to just leave that. So maybe for our headings, we want Cooper Black for our font face. And then whatever color you want for the headings. I think I will choose kind of a gold. Click OK. And there we go. All the headings on the page update. Now let's just go back and check this title size. Right click, modify. And the maximum title size should be 24. So let's bump that one down to 24. And it fixes all of them at once. And there we go. Okay, the rest of the document is just filling in the blanks. So continue naming the months of the year, a holiday from each month, and what day of the month it falls on. And then August doesn't have any holidays, so you can just write August, but you don't have to put anything in these two. And then for the candy bars, just erase, backspace the question marks, and put a name of a candy bar that fits the criteria right there. And it's totally fine to use the same candy bar in more than one category or in all three categories if they fit the category. Okay, if you have any questions on this, just let me know. Thank you.